Hey everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So first of all, wish you all a very happy new year, have a great year ahead, and thank you so much for all the support you gave throughout the year. You guys are amazing. So now let's come to the topic. Today Checkra team has released their new update, that is 0.12.2 beta, on their official website and fixed some important issues in their previous update, like A10 and A10X devices having error in jailbreak on the latest 14.3, but now it's fixed. I have also posted the same issue on my YouTube community section, but now everything is fixed in this update. That means you can easily update to the 14.3 on A10 devices and jailbreak your device very easily. Now there is another issue where the launch demos were loaded on their platform, but they have been fixed now, and also enable the USB option on the Apple TV during the normal system operation. So these are the notable changes in this latest update, and this latest update is available for Mac OS and the Linux operating system, but there is no official update for Windows user. So I will show you another way to install Checkra via your Windows machine using my custom ISO file I've made from the earlier stages. So I will show you the updated one also, so watch the video till the end to know the full process. I will show you the complete tutorial like how to install on Windows and jailbreak your device. So let's go to my computer screen and start this process. Alright, to download the required files you have to go to my blog link. So just check the description link, you will get this blog link there. After that you can click on Mega or a media file link, or you can also check the alternate links. After that you will redirect to this website. Now just scroll it down and you will see the free access button after the 5 seconds. After that click on free access button and you will redirect to the download page. You can easily download the file from there. So I have already downloaded the Checkra ISO file. Now first you need to extract this RAR file to get the ISO file, so you can use the WinRAR to extract it. Now you will get a folder, so just open it and you will get some files like Rufus tool and the Checkra ISO file for the latest 0.12.2 version, and a readme or instruction file. So if you are a beginner or new to all this or doing this first time, you can go to this readme file. So now we have to make the ISO file bootable in the USB pen drive. So for that we will use Rufus tool only. Don't use Balenature with this ISO file because Balenature will not work. So you have to only use the Rufus. So for the convenience of the user, I have already give the Rufus tool with this Checkra file. So you just download the Checkra file and you will get the Rufus in it. After that just open it and you have to insert your USB pen drive, and then you have to import the ISO file you have just downloaded. So just locate the ISO file path. Now you have to select the partition scheme. If you have a MBR, you can select that, and if you have a GPT partition type, you can select that also. This ISO file support both Intel and AMD 32-bit and 64-bit processors, and this will support the old legacy BIOS and the new UEFI, so it will work on every PC. So you can set all the details according to your PC architecture, and then you can proceed to the flashing process, and it will take around 2-3 minutes to complete the flash. After that you have to just close the Rufus tool and then you have to reboot your PC. Now it's done. Now just close the Rufus tool and just restart your PC. Now you have to go to your BIOS section or a boot manager section and you have to select your USB pen drive and you have to boot from it. Now you have to select your pen drive. So as I told you in the starting, this ISO file support both legacy BIOS and the new UEFI BIOS. So I will show you the both. So first I will use the UEFI mode. So I will select first that, and now you have to wait for the 5 seconds and the Checkra will automatically load up. So just wait for the 5 seconds. So now you can see on the screen the latest Checkra 0.12.2 is running on my Windows machine using the custom ISO file. Now I will show you the old legacy BIOS. If you have a old PC, you can boot it from that also. So just go to the BIOS section again. And if you have an old PC, you will get only the old legacy BIOS, so you can select that. And now you have to wait for the 5 seconds again. Now as you can see, it's so easy to run the latest checkra on Windows machine using the custom ISO file. Now I will show you how to jailbreak the iOS 14.3 on iPhone 6s to iPhone X. Now you need to just connect with the cable, and after that just hit on it. After that you will see your device detail like iPhone model and the iOS version on the checkra screen. Now you need to go to the options, and now it's an important point. If you have a iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X like A11 devices, you need to allow the skip A11 BPR check option, but for the other device like iPhone 5s to the iPhone 6, 6s, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, you can proceed normally. And also after the jailbreak, you can't set the passcode or a Face ID, Touch ID on the iPhone 8, 8 Plus or iPhone X. So for the A11 devices, you need to wait for more updates for the checkra team. Hopefully they will fix the SEP part soon. And now you have to put your device into DFU mode. So for that, just follow the instruction on the screen, and after that your device will be start jailbreaking. Now you can see on the screen it's showing all done. That means jailbreak is successfully done. Now you can unplug your USB. After that just open your device and you will see the checkra loader on the home screen. Sometime it will take 5 to 10 seconds to appear the checkra loader. So turn on your Wi-Fi. Now you can see the checkra loader is on my home screen. If it's not appear, just check on the app library. It will sometime go to the app library directly. So after that you can click on the Cydia and install it. Now the Cydia is installed properly. Now just open it. Now you can see Cydia is working normally on my iPhone SE first generation. It's running on the latest 14.3. You can follow the same procedure on iPhone 6s to iPhone X, and also for the iOS 12 to the latest iOS 12.5. So now go to the changes and update all the packages. After that click on restart Springboard. Now just open the device again and you are ready to use the Cydia. Now everything is set. Now you can install any tweak and everything is working fine. So this is how you can jailbreak iOS 14.3 on the checkra supported device using the Windows operating system through my custom checkra ISO file, and you can see everything is working fine. Now going back to the Windows machine, you have to just quit the checkra app and you will see the terminal below, and you have to type reboot command and just hit on enter, and after that unplug your USB stick and you will redirect to your Windows machine. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, just hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel for more cool updates. Follow me on all my social media accounts, so all links are in description. Do check out. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.